thanks to our sponsor, Lauren's Auto Repair, at 1309 US Highway 2 in Kalispell. Most consistently rated 5-star shop serving the Kalispell area. Visit lawrensauto.com.
lawrensauto.com. Summer in Northwest Montana is for soaking up community, dancing barefoot, exploring a new hobby, and digging into a local market. We've got all that for you and more in this week's Local Events Podcast by the Daily Interlake. Let's find your next best time. For dabblers or serious makers, the summer workshops in the makerspace at the Flathead Valley Community College are just too good to pass up. This week, you can learn how to mend or alter your clothes, practice on the 3D resin printer, create custom candles, fashion a junk journal, or learn how to make paper. Located in the Broussard Family Library on the FVCC campus, a small donation and a reservation give you access to the makerspace and instructor as you learn a new skill. Workshops in the makerspace continue through mid-August, and summer is an excellent time to take advantage of this great community resource. The Kurt Springer Trio serenades the Big Fork Monday Market at the Riverview Bar from 5 to 8 p.m. on Monday, July 22nd. Enjoy this great outdoor venue while sipping artisan cocktails, noshing on goodies from a local food truck, and shopping the wares of local vendors. A perfect way to keep the weekend alive after a Monday at work. Tuesday, July 23rd has local favorite Archertown performing at Kalispell's Picnic in the Park for another dance your shoes off summer experience. Archertown has made multiple appearances at Under the Big Sky Festival, including last weekend, but that does not stop them from rocking the gazebo in Kalispell's Depot Park. Bring a blanket and the whole family for the 6 p.m. performance. The Northwest Montana History Museum is host to their monthly movie night at the museum on Tuesday, July 23rd at 7 p.m. Get a dose of your favorite mid-20th century pinup with Betty Grable, Marilyn Monroe, and Lauren Bacall in the screwball comedy How to Marry a Millionaire. Admission and popcorn are free, and beverages are available for purchase. Donations are encouraged to keep these vintage films rolling. Celebrate Flathead Valley's best and brightest young professionals during the annual 20 Under 40 Winners Ceremony on Thursday, July 24th at 5:30 p.m. It's sure to be a lovely and inspiring evening at the historic Summers Mansion. Try my favorite barbecue from Knucklehead Barbecue and a cash bar from Andy's Craft House. Keep an eye on the Daily Interlake and our social media channels to learn more about these select 20 Under 40. The Wacholtz College Center is host to 3 outstanding performances this week, starting off with legendary Grammy Award winner Judy Collins on Wednesday, July 24th. Concertgoers are sure to enjoy stylings from her 50-album body of work in this special performance. Transporting me back to the salad days of the early 90s is Toad the Wet Sprocket on Thursday, July 25th. Come walk on the ocean with me as we sway to their great alt-rock hits. And on their way to the Red Ants Pants Festival, Los Lobos stops by Kalispell for their 50th anniversary tour on Friday, July 26th. I never get tired of hearing their version of La Bamba. These genre-bending Chicano rockers will knock your socks off. Thanks to the team at the Wacholtz College Center for bringing such diverse and excellent talent to the Flathead Valley. We belong together. The Conrad Mansion in Kalispell presents their annual historic clothing tour, the last Thursday of each month through September at 5:30 p.m. Join fashion historian and textile curator Teresa Knutson as she guides you through a remarkable Victorian garment collection. Fashion tells a story of the time period and also of the Conrad family who moved into the mansion in 1895, or blast out of the Victorian era and into the space age at the Flathead County Library in Kalispell on Friday, July 26th at 11:15 a.m. As Jared Bales of NASA's John F. Kennedy Space Center in Florida leads a mission to inspire and shoot for the moon. Learn about NASA, their scientific missions, and build your own rocket. Head out on a mesmerizing journey through the timeless hits of Elton John and Billy Joel as the Whitefish Theater Company presents Piano Man. This performance showcases musicians Craig Meyer and Ross Bridgman for 3 weekend performances at the O'Shaughnessy Cultural Arts Center in Whitefish. As part of the Whitefish Summer Concert Series, these talents will be supported by a live band of local musicians. Polson celebrates its annual Flathead Cherry Festival on Saturday, July 27th and Sunday, July 28th. There's something for everyone at this beloved community festival. Get creative during the sidewalk chalk competition or sticky during the cherry spitting contest. Browse local artists and vendors, savor treats from food trucks, and stomp your feet to live music. Learn about living in bear country from bear management experts at the Swan Valley Bear Fair. Stop into the Swan River Community Hall in Big Fork on Saturday, July 27th from noon to 4 p.m. to practice with bear spray. Don't worry, it's not loaded, and learn how to prevent human-bear conflicts. Columbia Falls is the place to be on Sundays from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. for the Columbia Falls Farmers Market. This week is Bike Week. Bring your bike for free repairs from Glacier Cyclery and Nordic. Shop for handmade jewelry and soap, pottery, and fresh eggs and veggies. I'm excited to try the fresh flash-baked pizza from Valentine's Pizza, and yes, you can have pizza for breakfast with their special breakfast pie. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Interlinks Local Events Podcast. I'm your host, Melissa Wells, bringing you all the best things to do in Northwest Montana. You can find all these events and more linked in our description, as well as on dailyinterlake.com/event, where you can add your event for free. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.
Thanks to our sponsor, Lauren's Auto Repair, at 1309 US Highway 2 in Kalispell. Most consistently rated 5-star shop serving the Kalispell area. Visit lawrensauto.com.
lawrensauto.com